Okay, so let us today solve the exercise 4.2 question number 1 part 2. The question says that find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. Now in this question you have to follow this instruction very carefully, that first of all you have to find out whether the root of the quadratic equation exists, and if they exist then you have to find it, and you have to find it by completing the method of the square method. Okay, so first of all let us rewrite our given equation. So our given equation is two x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now let us compare this equation with the standard quadratic equation. The standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if we compare these two equations, our given equation and the standard quadratic equation, we will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 4. Now the first part is that we have to find out whether the root of the equation exists or no. For that we have to find out the value of discriminant d. So d is given by b square minus 4ac. Now we will put the value of a, b and c. So we will get b square is equal to d is equal to the value of b is 1 square minus 4, the value of a is 2 and the value of c is minus 4. It will be 1 square, minus and minus will be plus, 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 into 4 is 32. So this is equal to 33, which is greater than 0. Now the condition for the root to exist is that d should be greater than equal to 0. In our case the d is greater than 0, so the root of given quadratic equation exists. It means that the quadratic equation which is given to us, its root exists. Okay, now because its root exists, now we have to find out those roots. Okay, so now let us rewrite our given equation once again. Our given equation is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now as I have earlier told that when you want to solve the equation by completing the square method, first of all you must get rid of the coefficient of x square. Now here the coefficient of x square is 2, so to get rid of this 2 we have to divide the equation by 2. Why 2? Because 2 is the coefficient of x square. So I will divide this whole equation by 2. So I will get x square plus 1 by 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation which I will solve by completing the square method. Now here what I should do is, here I will add and subtract. I will add and subtract half of coefficient of x square. Okay, so what I will do is I will add and subtract the half of coefficient of x to this equation. Now the coefficient of x here is 1 by 2. So what I will do is I will add and subtract half into 1 by 2 square to this equation. Okay, let us do that. X square plus 1 by 2x is as it is. Now I will add half of coefficient of x is again 1 by 2 its square to the equation, because I have added this term, so I have to subtract the same term so that my equation will remain unaffected. So again I have added the same term to this equation because they will cancel each other, so this equation is unaffected. Minus 2 is already there, this is equal to 0. Now you don't cancel it. If you will cancel it, then you will again go back to 0. Now what you have to do is you have to keep these three terms on one side of equation, and you have to move these two terms to the other side of this equation. Okay, so now I will rearrange these three terms. They will be x square plus to 1 by 2x. What I can write is, I can write it as 2 into 1 by 4 into x. Okay, I can write this 1 by 2x like this, plus half into half is 1 by 4, its square will remain as it is, equal to, I will move these two terms to other side of equation, so this minus 2 will become plus 2, and this will become 1 upon 4 square, right? Okay, now I will solve this equation here. Okay, I will solve this equation here. Now you see, this term I will write as it is here. It is x square plus 2 into 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 square is equal to, this will be 2 plus 1 upon 16, because 1 by 4 square is 16. Now if you see this term, very clearly, this is a form of equation where a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here my a is x and b is 1 by 4. Okay, see, x square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a is x, b is 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 square, right? I can write this as a plus b whole square. So this term I will write as a plus b whole square, because a is x and b is 1 by 4. So this will become x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to, I will solve this term. I will take 16 as LCM. Here it will become 32 plus 1. Okay, so it will become x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 33 upon 16. Now I will take square root on both sides, so but I will get, I will write this here. So what I will get, I am writing this and this term here. So when I will get square root on both sides, I will get x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus minus square root of 33 upon 16. Always remember to take plus minus, because whenever you will get square, whenever you will get square root on both sides, you have to write plus minus. Okay, because again if you will take square of plus minus, it will be plus. So always remember to add this plus minus. This is very important. Okay, now x plus 1 by 4 is equal to, I can write it as plus minus square root of 33 over square root of 16 is 4, right? Now I will move this 1 by 4 to this side, so I will get x is equal to plus minus square root of 33 over 4 plus 4. I can write this as plus minus square root of 33 minus 1 upon 4. Now I will get two value of x. One value of x will be, x is equal to, I will take plus sign So this will be square root of 33 minus 1 upon 4, and the other value of x will be x is equal to, I will take minus sign, square root of 33 minus 1 upon 4. So here I can neglect this plus sign because plus sign need not to be written. So basically this can be written as simply square root of 33 minus 1 upon 4, and this can be written as minus square root 33 minus 1 upon 4. So these two are the roots of the given quadratic equation, right? So thank you for watching.